Okay, it's kind of showing where we're at. I've got the stock stripped. That came out pretty good. Still got some sanding to do. Most little scuffs and stuff are still in it, but that's okay. Get those lightly sanded out. Everything is stripped. Now, if you're in the Kansas City area, there's actually a gunsmith that knows what he's doing. His name is Mike Ali. Last name is spelled Allee. And Mike, boy, God bless him, he was able to get this out of the tube. You can see right where it snapped off there. And I was able to find a replacement one. These are kind of scarce, but company had those, and they just unscrew right out. He was able to get that out, and that's what it's supposed to look like. Not like I had it there where it was broken into pieces. So I'll get this. I can start polishing on the receiver and get it looking good. And as soon as I get the new butt pad, the recoil pad, we will get that scribed and fitted to it. The original one here, it's not an original Remington. It was a Hawkins. And as you can see from the back of it, it's broken in a couple of places. So I didn't exactly want to put this back on. And it looks like someone tried to glue it at one time. So what we were able to do, we found another one exactly like this. So kind of excited. It's supposed to be here in just a couple of days. We'll get that installed, get it scribed, and get it on the stock, and then get everything sanded, fitted, and polished so it looks good. I was glad we were able to do this. I've got a little fitting left to do here. With this, it is about, I'm going to guess about a 1/16 inch too long. It leaves, when I slide the stock on, it leaves a little too much of a gap. So I can tell that it's bottomed out, so I don't want to shove on it there or do any damage. And all I need to do is drill that out just a little bit. I don't want to file on that metal tube. Like I said, those are kind of rare, so I will get that fit real good to it, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, next shot we'll do is probably after some of this gets polished a bit and gets cleaned up, as we get ready to put it back together and get the stock finished. So hopefully this time, last stock I didn't work out real well because, well, what I filmed didn't work. So anyway, we'll give it a try. Okay, it's time to clean up the bolt a bit. Let's see how much fouling and everything else. In taking these apart, most people did not strip it down as far as I'm stripping it down, so it's going to be expected to have some fouling and so forth in it. So anyway, I will get this all cleaned up, the face of the bolt and everything. This is the back of the firing pin. Get the face cleaned up and everything, and let's see what she looks like once we get her cleaned up. I was able to polish the lifter. There's still some scratches in it, but it was made. I got her good and clean and got her polished up, and also the same for the bolt handle. I'm sorry, the charging handle. Got it cleaned up. Looks a whole lot better. Definitely going to go ahead and cold blue this to protect it, and I'm thinking that I might unscrew the tube out of this and cold blue it also to protect it from rust. If you remember how bad this one looked when I first took it out, how rusty it was. So I might do some cold blue on it and protect it good before I put it back together, so we don't have that problem again. Okay, well, we got the new recoil pad in. You can see the old one kind of cracked in a couple of places, was broken, and the owner of the firearm would have liked to have had something very similar to this, so we're able to find the exact same recoil pad. It's going to take quite a bit of grinding. This one's considerably larger than the other one, but we'll grind it down and get it fit good to the stock, and that should be good to go. Started polishing on this. Now, one other little issue that it had, as we look in here, there's supposed to be a pad on the back of this. It's a little fiber washer that sits back there, and as the bolt slides back, keeps it from damaging the back of the receiver. Well, that's missing, so waiting on that. That should be here in another couple days, and we'll get that put on. Started polishing the barrel. Started getting some of the rust out of this end, and so far so good. Looks a lot better. It's a lot cleaner. I'm polished about right here, and I'll keep polishing and get the rest of the barrel cleaned up good and get that fitted back in. Started looking at the stock here on the front forearm. The checkering's pretty worn. I was thinking about maybe getting a veining tool and try to get just the outline back in there, but I'll talk to the owner, see what he wants to do, see if he just wants it oiled back, or try to correct some of the damaged checkering there. It looks like it just got, it's just been worn. I mean, it's from 1918, so it's been around a while. Got the actual stock very, very smooth. Got it down to even with a 350 grit. And I'm going to have to run the back into the stock here on the sander when I grind the recoil pad down, because there's still a lot of glue. It looked like someone glued the pad to this and then put the screws in. So I'll have to get this cleaned off again. I don't know if this is original or not. I haven't really seen enough of these stocks. I don't know if these holes were drilled by the factory or what the reasoning behind that is, but we'll get that figured out. I was able to clean out the inside where this tube goes after it got replaced, and to make sure it had a good fitment, and got it cleaned out good. Now we got that nice tight stock to receiver fit. That looks really good. I'm really happy with that. So we will get that going here pretty soon. Anyway, I had to call him and see what he wants to do. Started getting a little polishing on the receiver end. And then all I got left is to clean up the trigger group. Got the bolt all cleaned. Got it all cleaned out. All the parts moving now real nice and smooth. Got them polished up a bit. So we're getting it done slowly but surely. And I'll keep producing the videos till we get her done.